for Tinybird, the superb bird. Look at that, Tinybird. The start of a new day for Tinybird. And you ask, do you know what time it is, Mom? Asks Tinybird. Whee! It's time for breakfast, exclaims Tinybird. Mom and Tinybird are at the kitchen countertop preparing breakfast for Tinybird. Thanks, Mom, says Tinybird. He gives her a kiss. You are quite welcome, my fine feathered Tinybird, she tells him. That was yummy for my tummy, boasts Tinybird. It's important to eat healthy foods, adds his mom. Now it's time to clean my cage, remarks Tinybird. Come here, honey. Snuggling underneath his mom's chin, Tinybird sincerely says, Thanks again, Mom. I feel so cared for and loved. Tinybird, you are very special to me, she affectionately tells him. It's playtime for Tinybird, announces Tinybird. Will you watch me, Mom? He asks. Of course I will watch you, she answers, clapping her hands. Oops. Tinybird proudly says, Look at all of these fun toys. I love to play Bathe the Birdie Time. This is great, Mom, Tinybird shouts out, wings flapping, splashing in the water. Whee! Laughs Tinybird, preening his feathers. I'm so proud and pretty. I think it's nap time, states Tinybird. Look at you, taking a nap. Let's do playtime again, Mom, before dinner, suggests Tinybird. Watch me walk upside down on my ladder. You are so clever, Tinybird, she says with admiration. After dinner, Tinybird says with glee, Whee! It's dessert time for me. I love fig cookies and watermelon, he declares, holding a cookie in his foot. Bedtime for Tinybird, says Mom. Mom, I want to say my prayers before we go night-night, Tinybird tells her. Dear Lord, thank you for my mom and all the nice things she does for me and the time she spends with me. Amen. Love, Tinybird. Good night, Tinybird. I love you very, very much, whispers Tinybird's mom to him. Tinybird whispers back, I love you more, Mom.